dust or suspended droplets are irritating to mucous membranes, although to a lesser extent than sodium hydroxide, but can also cause sneezing and coughing. Inhalation of lime dust may cause pneumonia. Lime powder ball press production. Line shot site. Take a look, a boot before cleaning the debris of lime powder ball press. Fixed bolts. Check whether the various bolts of the machine loose and fall off. Remove the load is allowed to start the roller ball press. 2 lime powder ball press test machine. First of all, the motor is pulsed by the point motion method. If there is no other noise, it can be started when the operation is normal. 3 to the lime powder ball press feeding should ensure that the electric feeder uniform feeding and according to the warehouse pressure situation will be adjusted to the best effect of the electric feeder. 4 after the end of each shift should be the lime powder ball press silo. All used up. Shall not leave raw materials. Avoid starting with load, finally normal stop or emergency stop, and drive the opposite order.